Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nuryana. I'm from Pelita Bangsa University and I will presentation Review Journal International. Review Journal. The title: The Effect of Motivation and Compensation on Employees' Performance with Work Stratification as Intervening Study in the Technical Department of PT Semen Padang. Archive of Business Research, File 7 Nomor 11, Public Date November 25, 2019. The phenomenon, research, conduction, observation, and the flight and turned out to have an impact on employees' performance, with the confidence of a decrease in profit, automatic in the indefinite, all things related to employees' performance, efficiency on compensation to be received by employees, motivation of employees on the company PT Semen Padang has direct because the effect of efficiency has made the workspace of employees limited. Expenses in the factory area, not maximal. Repair and maintenance of equipment when troubleshooting, often the completed of completion time when overtime is payment, as well as compensation received by employees resulting in the job discussion by employees. Research purpose. This study aims to determine the effect of motivation, compensation, and job certification on employees' performance. Research method. This study is quality type method with path analysis. Path analysis, where the research variables are motivation, compensation, job certification, and employees' performance. The data analysis technique is the validity test, reliability, respondent achievement level test, normality test, linearity test, multi-correlation test, and heterogeneity test, and path analysis. Population. Use this research is employees in the engineering department PT Semen Padang, with population being 285. The study sample was 167 respondents after using in Slovene formula. Research and discussion. The research showed that motivation has a significant effect on job certification. Compensation had a significant effect on job certification. Job certification had a significant effect on employees' performance. Motivation and compensation delay had a significant effect on employees' performance. Motivation through job certification had a significant effect of employees' performance. Compensation through certification work on performance has no significant effect. Conclusion. Motivation has a significant effect on employees' job certification of the Department of Engineering PT Semen Padang. This means that with increased employees' motivation, there will also be increased employees' job certification at the Department of Engineering PT Semen Padang. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.